In today's video, we're going to cover one thing and one thing only. Is this backpack worth the money that they're asking? You can get a lot of other tool bags for well under $300. However, today we're going to look at this bag and just see if it has some things other bags don't that make it worth the money. I have a good friend at work who uses this bag, and he's had it for 4 or 5 years, he said, and it shows minimal, if any, wear. It still works great for him, and it's comfortable, and he carries it around every day. He convinced me it is the most comfortable backpack to wear. And that was one of the biggest things for me, is a lot of the backpacks are really thin and flimsy, and when you fill it with a bunch of tools, stuff's going to be poking you in the back, and my back hurts a lot, and I was really hoping that this one is more structured and stiff, and the straps are better quality and thicker, and it's going to sit more comfortably on my back. So that's what I was hoping when I bought it. I have not weighed my bag yet, but these are the tools that I carry with me every day, and it adds up fast. Alright, for starters here, we have this pouch in the front that can hold anything you want. I put my phone in here a lot, or even a tiny notebook to take notes on whatever I'm working on. It has this pouch in the front that holds a lot of stuff, but I use that mainly to hold my 3/8 impact that I carry with me every day. So let's take a look at the front pouch here. The front pouch has all of these pockets and dividers in it that are good to put stuff in. It has zippers here along this side, big pouches here at the bottom, but it holds all of my pliers really nicely right in the front. But what really got me going about this backpack, and I mean that's what a lot of backpacks have, right? You unzip it, it's one big spot right in the front to put all your tools. But this backpack, you turn around, unhook this top, and it opens up into a whole nother side on the back. You can unzip the whole back, and there's more pockets, more dividers. Perfect for wrenches, ratchets, my dead blow, any sort of big thing, a huge crescent wrench, any sort of big stuff that I have to put in my bag, it all goes in the back here. There's just more room, and it's right across your back when you put it on, right? So I feel like when I'm wearing it, it's not pulling me backwards as much. It just sits really evenly on my back. So that's my favorite thing about this backpack. And the other thing I'd have to, oh, look, little hook. I haven't used it yet, but you could hang it on something. And honestly, my favorite thing about this bag is just the quality so far. It has really, really thick webbing and stitch marks where it's sewn. The zipper, just everything about it feels like it's the highest quality I've ever seen in a bag, and it should be for the price. But so far for me, it is living up to the price. It seems to be well worth the money in my case. I mean, even if you just look at the handle here, it's thick. It's bolted on and sewn across this whole space up here. It's one big stitching all the way across. So, like I said, for me, it's been worth the money. It sits really evenly on my back, holds all my tools. You can strap it in here across your chest. Yeah, like I said, for me it's been worth it, but I guess you got to decide that for you. I'll leave a link down in the comments if you guys want to check it out. I just bought mine on Amazon, but that's also a good point about this bag that I forgot about, is it has a great warranty. If you go to Vito's website and buy this bag, it has a 5-year warranty, and all you have to do is register your product and say, yes, I bought it, and confirm that you purchased it, sign up, but yes, you get a 5-year warranty. I like I said, I hope I don't need to use it. I just hope the bag is perfect the way it is, because for $300 I'd be really pissed off if something starts to break on it. And I've seen them listed on Marketplace, if you want to look at on Facebook, for $200, $150. I've seen them cheaper on Marketplace for sure. And the one thing I've seen broken on Facebook is the zipper. And that's not in all of them, but I have seen that happen on several. So that's something I'm gonna look for and try to watch on mine, and just not, be gentle with the zipper. But other than that, I've seen bags at my workplace get passed down from employee to employee. Somebody will quit and sell this bag to somebody else, this style bag. And there's bags at our shop that are 5, 7 years old, and they still look like this. Now this is orange. I got orange. I like it. It's probably my favorite color, but it looks really good in all black. They make an all black version, and then the normal version is basically all blacked out, except this, like some of the leather parts are actually like brown looking leather, and it's like gray or black. It's kind of like two-tone with some brown, but it looks pretty good. But the all black version definitely looks pretty cool. But I like the orange, so here we are. But yeah, like I said, I fit all of these tools in this bag very, very comfortably, and there's room to add more, but I ran into it's just too heavy to be walking miles with every day. So I'm trying to keep it light. I'm trying to cut down on my tools, but there's so much room in this bag. I could put, I don't know about double, but half again back in of the tools I have right now. It really does hold a lot. It holds this impact so perfectly in the front, like that. There. That's where I keep my impact, right there in the front, so it's easily accessible. And I don't know, I'm really happy with this bag so far. It really seems to be holding up well. Like I said, I've had it for about a month now, but we'll see in a couple of years if it's holding up to the price. That's for sure. Sorry it's been a minute. I haven't uploaded any videos. Life got away from me, and I kind of put YouTube on the back burner. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. My name's Zach, and on this channel we talk about tools and bags and everyday carry stuff and knives. So if you guys like that, or just me tinkering in the garage, let me know and I'll try to upload some more content. But until then, my name's Zach. This is my Vito bag that I'm very happy with, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.